this wagon here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a beauty too. 1966 Chevrolet Impala 9-passenger wagon, sunburst orange metallic, 396 big block underneath the hood. This the Hot Wheels Impala. Nicely equipped too. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look at the chrome on the bumper up front, headlight surrounds, grille. You can see some high intensity driving lights have been added. Paint shows well on this one, folks. This is a head turner. Call us 507-386-1726. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. American Racing, polished 5-spoke torque light wheels. You can see behind there. Disc brakes. That's power disc brakes, all 4 corners. AC blows cold. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice when we were doing underside picks, there's just a couple little spots. A little bit of corrosion at the bottom of the doors. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I also want to mention, note that the side windows are tinted, so your local and state laws, be aware of them as far as what the percentage of window tint that you can have. Give you the heads up on that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Positive traction rear end, 355 gears in the back. Does have the power rear glass that will go down into the tailgate, I guess, if you will. And that is working. Dual exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust tips, MagnaFlow mufflers. Something else I want to mention, if you do like specialty vehicles like this, whether it be something that's a street rod, maybe like high performance sports cars, maybe square body pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. There is videos added daily, and lots of times very cool cars just like this one. Another thing is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car. Maybe you can't make it due to time or distance. Not a problem. Welcome those guys in. There's that other little spot I was talking about on the driver's side. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Look at the underside, you'll see what I'm talking about. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this thing for a ride, put the camera in it, going to take you for a virtual ride, if you will. I also want to hit upon some recent service work that was done to this car. It does have new brake booster, master cylinder, power steering pump, and hoses. Just to give you the heads up on that. Let's take a peek inside this beauty. So black vinyl interior, bench seat up front. You can see also bench in the back. And remember, it is a 9-passenger seating car. Seat belts intact in the rear. You can see vinyl's in nice shape. We actually know the previous owner of this car. Owned it for quite some time. Wasn't afraid to get in this car, turn the key, and go anywhere. So this is one of those, turn the key, go have some fun. I'm going to leave the protective mat down there for getting in and out of it. There are some manuals that will go with this and some other things you can see in the still pictures. I believe there's a build sheet. Some pretty cool stuff. B&M floor shifter. I do want to mention something about that while I'm talking about the overdrive transmission. So shifter on the floor. Now it does have the torque converter lockup on it, and forward is if you're driving around the city, and back is if you're out on the highway. So I'm going to show you that here in just a second. Aftermarket stereo system in it, tachometer put in the dash. Nice, tastefully done, customized 4-door wagon. Headliner also in nice shape. And again, 396 big block. Have a little fun. This is definitely a show winner many times over. So right here is that torque converter lockup. forward is city, back at you is locked up going down the highway. Again, a little Hot Wheels insignia on there, some Impala SS badging. Again, not representing it that way. This is just a customized cool car that's fired up. Alright, and as you can see, tack is working. We are going to let this one warm up just a little bit. 396, sometimes those big blocks a little cold-blooded. The aftermarket stereo is working, of course. Switch for the lights down here. So that is it. You can see it on the wall up in front of us. That's where the lights for those are. No aftermarket gauge cluster for water temp and oil pressure. That was a cold start, so won't expect that to be up. There's your oil pressure. Looking good. Tack is working. Love the sound of this car. Like I said, this one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let's slip up to the front. It's going to take both hands to get this hood open, so I'm going to pause this a second real quick. Let's get this hood open, check it out, and like I mentioned before, stick around to the very end of this video and you're going to see how this car drives out. And here we are underneath the hood. Take a look at that, just as clean as the rest of this car. And look at this engine bay, nice and tidy. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner cover, alternator. This engine bay is dressed up nicely. You can see newer booster master cylinder. Again, power steering, AC. AC blows cold. HEI ignition, headers. Wow. Looking for a fun car you can get in and drive it anywhere. Here it is, 1966 Chevrolet Impala, 9-passenger wagon, 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures of this car. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. This is a station wagon. You know what I say about station wagons, there's just more car to love, honestly. And when you have good power like this car does, it doesn't care that it has a little bit more body. Still gets up and goes. Very nice acceleration. Nice firm shift from that automatic transmission. We have a B&M automatic shifter right here on the floor. Our oil pressure is showing almost 60 psi, water temperature about 180. Speedometer is working well. The fuel gauge showing 3/4 of the tank. The Sunpro tachometer right here is working well. JVC radio in the dash. That is working. Nice smooth ride. Good handling from this car, as you would expect. The handling from a 66. Vinyl bench seats. Room for many. You even have a rear-facing seat in this station wagon, as you might remember from childhood. Very nice condition interior. Very nice condition paint. This car doesn't lean too much in the corners. It even corners well. For a big car, very well. lovely throaty exhaust note from this car. Just very well done. You got a little Hot Wheels theme going on. Who doesn't like Hot Wheels? Take a look at the pictures and learn all about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.